President of the General Conference, Director General, Ambassador Rafael Marino Gaussi, Excellencies, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, good day. Mr. President, let me congratulate you on your election as the President of the 64th General Conference. Mr. President, Bangladesh deeply appreciates IAEA's serious commitment to its mandate. It is highly commendable that even during the COVID-19 pandemic, the agency has continued its valuable work under the able leadership of the new Director General despite many difficulties. We acknowledge with thanks the assistance rendered by the agency to Bangladesh and many other member states in their efforts to address the current COVID-19 pandemic. Through the technical cooperation project INT 0098, we express our strong support to the agency's Genetic Disease Integrated Action Project, which would be an important vehicle for assistance to cope up with COVID-19 pandemic and beyond. Mr. President, we highly value agency's continued support to Bangladesh through technical cooperation projects. We are happy to inform that Bangladesh is developing nuclear science, technology, and peaceful applications of nuclear energy in the areas of energy, health, food security, and safety for socio-economic development of our country. And aligned well with our National Vision 2021 and 2041 under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina, including the achievement of Sustainable Development Goals before 2030. We are determined to take IAEA collaboration to higher level. Mr. President, we consider nuclear energy as safe, environmental friendly, and economically viable source of electricity generation. The construction work of our Rupur nuclear power plant is going on despite the current pandemic, strictly maintaining safety protocols. We expect that Unit 1 of the plant will be connected to national grids in 2023. For the Rupur NPP, we are working closely with IAEA. Mr. President, Bangladesh is firmly committed to the peaceful use of nuclear energy in compliance with the relevant safety, safeguard, and security measures. We commend the agency and member states for organizing the 3rd International Conference on Nuclear Security 2020 and adopting ministerial declarations. At the same time, we are expecting a substantial progress at the next NPT review conference. Mr. President, lastly, Bangladesh reiterates its firm support to the mandate and activities of agency for better world through peaceful use of nuclear technology. I wish the 64th General Conference of IAEA a grand success. I thank you, Mr. President. Joy Bangla, Joy Bangabandhu, Bangladesh চিরজীবী হোক।